when you had seen my first post related to what is Astro Diet. I hope you must have thought about Astro Diet might be something related to health. Yes, it is related to health, but not only for health. It is for complete all the areas of the life, because astrology helps in all the areas of life, and the food we eat at least 3 times in a day, we can do some remedies, because each food item is represented by one planet. The combination of zodiac sign and food is the Astro Diet. In Vedic astrology, we have the 9 planets, and based on the movement of 9 planets in the 12 zodiac sign, we come to know as an individual what is the one particular sign for you. Like 12 हमारे राशियां हैं in general. जब all these 12 signs को combine करके बोलते हैं, that becomes the zodiac. But when I'm talking about yourself only for one individual, then I will take your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth. According to these birth details, I will make a chart for you, and according to that, जो भी उस समय की planetary positions रहेगी in the sky, the birth chart will become the screenshot of that. Now, whatever sign is moving on the head at that time, that particular sign will become your rising sign, ascendant sign or lagna in Hindi language. तो चाहे आप लग्न बोलो, ascendant sign बोलो या rising sign बोलो, तीनों का मतलब एक ही है कि that is the one first key sign which represents your physical body, your overall personality, and it indicates about all the areas of life. And in Hindi we say, जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा बने तन. So the food we eat can shape your destiny. That's why food is so important. Now, if you know any food or any spice is governed by which planet, then you will be able to increase the intake or decrease the intake of that particular food. So before going to that, I would like to share one more thing कि हमारा जो खाना होता है food, that comes under the 3 categories, and these 3 categories are sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. The same way the all 12 zodiac signs are come under these categories, sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. If you can match, like your zodiac sign is represented by sattvic category and you are having the sattvic kind of food, then it will become in the alignment. But if your zodiac sign, let's say your zodiac sign is Taurus, then what will happen? Because Taurus sign is represented by rajasic quality, and now you are taking the food which indicates the sattvic quality, it will be a mismatch. Then what will happen? Sometimes you will be generous and sometimes you will feel like I'm having money issues. You will get the money, but before you can save, you will spend it. When there is a conflict in between these qualities, means your zodiac sign and the food you are taking, if it is quite often, if it is in a moderate quality, it is good कि आपने कुछ समय खाया, ठीक है, बट आप लगातार एक ही तरह का खाना खा रहे हैं, तो फिर वो उस तरह की क्वालिटीज बढ़ाता है, जैसे कि तामसिक क्वालिटी. अब तामसिक क्वालिटी जो है, Tamasic means the food which is cooked and eaten after 3 hours. तो fresh food है, but like in many homes, the cook comes in the morning and she cooks for the lunch, dinner, everything. You just take out from the fridge and eat. Now that fresh fruit will also come under the tamasic category. Saturn planet rules over tamasic category, and Saturn indicates about restrictions, delays, lethargy. So what will happen when we are consuming these kind of food? Subconsciously, we will keep inviting all these qualities in us. Gradually, what will happen? We will say, why I am not able to get the increment? Why people are not giving me appreciation? क्योंकि जब आपका तमस बढ़ेगा तो आपको जो चीज लाइफ में चाहिए, it is not easy to achieve. तो भले चाहे फ्रेश फूड है, बट व्हेन इट इज कुक्ड, जब भी वो खाना बनता है, immediately if you are eating, then it will be in a sattvic category. पर जितना डिले होता जाएगा, and after 3 years it is complete tamasic. The rajasic food is the food which have lot of gravy, rich kind of food, like खूब अच्छा तरी वाला खाना जिसमें तेल, पनीर, चीज, जो कंसंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में जो चीजें आती है, मावा, स्वीट्स. So like whether you are eating the halwa puri, kheer, what you are doing, you are making the concentrated form of one type of food that comes in the rajasic category. और जो राजसिक कैटेगरी का फूड होता है, वो फूड अगर आप ज्यादा खाएंगे, then it will create some type of doshas in the body. And what are these doshas? The 3 main doshas which Ayurveda says, Vat, Pitta and Kapha. But अगर आपको ये समझ में आ जाए कि what is my body type, क्योंकि हमारे जो 12 signs हैं, zodiac signs, that 12 zodiac signs are divided among 4 elements. जैसे कि, one second, I will share. Fire, water, earth and air elements. These are the 4 elements in which all the 12 categories, all the 12 zodiac signs are divided. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius are fire element signs. When fire element becomes imbalanced, it increases inflammation, cuts, and your nature will become short temper and impatient. Whatever I am saying, that is in general. कि in general, ये 3 sign will always come under the fire category, और इनमें हमेशा fire means पित्त एलिमेंट ज्यादा बढ़ता है. अब जब पित्त एलिमेंट ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, what will happen? It means your fire is imbalanced. Now there will be the inflammation, or quickly you are sensitive towards getting the fever. दूसरी चीज क्या होती है कि एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस वाले, इन्हें हेडेक, डेंटल पेन, जॉइंट पेन, किडनी इश्यूज, इसकी तरफ these signs are sensitive. And if you know, you आपका लग्न या राइजिंग साइन जो है, अगर ये एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस है, then some type of these kind of things can come in your life. It is not कि अभी इसी समय आएगा. Everything is not कि all the time you will have all those things. Depending on particular years, which is known as the periods, कि इस पीरियड में जब कोई उस प्लेनेट की महादशा, अंतरदशा चल रही होती है, तो that will become severe. Otherwise, all these things will be in your body. Now, in the different form, it will come. Like, ज्यादा fire imbalance होगा, तो when you are in between the age of 18 to 25 देयर विल बी इम्पेशंस, एम्बिशंस ज्यादा होगी। फिर 25 से जब 45 की एज में जाएंगे तब फिर क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे टुवर्ड्स हेल्थ की तरफ सिचुएशन आएगी,